Guys, do you think I like to watch my videos? And you'll see in a bit. I'm using my iPad. It takes time, guys. Alright, I'm just look. On the iPad, I'm putting stuff. Alright guys, I have it right here. Now let's look through and see. What do you guys think I should watch? I think I should watch Stupid Questions. Let's go.
Hey, is this about time? Because I can leave if you want. Are you awake?
I watch my own videos.
Restart, bye.
Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I never thought I would do this, but bye.